Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the links to your social media accounts, the click to call button, links to the different back pages that you have. So the services that you provide, which type of customers you have, the project gallery and a blog. You have the contact us form at the top, so really well done because that's actually making it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. A brief intro of the company. Then you have here all of the different services that you provide, which I really like, the residential services. And then, well, the type of customers that you have. Some of the, I guess this is part of the blog, so your articles, testimonials and reviews, location details and contact details. So overall, your front page, it is very well laid out. In terms of the amount of content, you currently have 1,529 words. So to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So you are in the sweet spot there. Now let's have a look at two of your competitors. These guys, Dallas Asphalt Paving, have 1,447 words, so you are very close. Actually, you're surpassing them, but they are very close. That's what I'm trying to say. And then you have Dallas Asphalt. These guys have 382 words on their front page. So definitely, just in the amount of content, you are beating out your competitors. It's now just a matter of making sure that you actually have the right value intent keywords. So I came here to the Google search and I type in asphalt paving Dallas. The first section is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And some people just turn them off in their browser. Then you have the next section, which is the Google Maps. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is where I found your competitors, is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you need a website that is correctly built, that is safe and is secure. And then you need something that we call backlinks. I also noticed that you're also ranking on the front page. So here is your website on the front page for asphalt paving Dallas. So now it's just a matter of understanding. So it means that Google is finding you for that particular keyword. So it's not a matter of understanding why are they ranking at the top. So we have a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool I can see that there are 276 external websites directing traffic through 2,700 links to your website. If I have a look at Dallas, these guys have 111 external websites directing traffic through 280 backlinks or links. And then Dallas Asphalt, they have 17 external websites directing traffic through 41 backlinks. So it's just a matter of reviewing as well this backlink profile, just making sure that those links and backlinks that you have are quality backlinks and are powerful, because not all backlinks are created equal. And this is a perfect example of that. It means that there are backlinks that are sitting on websites that will pass on their power to your site. And then with that, Google will start regarding your website as an authority and will start ranking you at the top. Now, the other section that I wanted to show is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 543 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see here that you are ranking for quite a number of keywords. But then if I actually try to find those that are value intent keywords, I see that you are on position 6 for asphalt paving Dallas, which has a search volume of 80. And because you being on position 6, you were only able to attract 6 visits, and this is an estimate. Asphalt paving Dallas, you're on the 6th position, so you were only able to attract 5 visits. Asphalt companies, search volume 50, you're on the 5th position for that particular keyword, and you were able to attract 4.4 visits. Now, if I have a look at Dallas asphalt paving, these guys are being found for 1,500 organic keywords. And again, search Dallas. So they, for example, driveway paving Dallas, they're on the 2nd position, so they were able to attract 18 visits out of 100. driveway seal in Dallas. They're ranking on the first position. The search volume is not that high, but because they're on the first position, they were able to capture 16 visits to their website. So basically what you want to do is that you want to target those specific keywords that have a higher search volume, include them in the content of your website. Just make sure that you are ranking for those keywords. And then once you have that, you can build the backlink profile just to outrank your competitors so that you can rank at the top of the Google organic search. Because then it means that you are maximizing the number of times that you are in front of potential customers. And that can only translate into a percentage of those, and depending on your closing rate, becoming a client of yours. So that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really like and hope that you find this video interesting. Please feel free to use this information, and please don't forget to share with me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.